I never imagined Russia would feel this cold.
My fingers barely move anymore.
Stalingrad was no longer a city. It was a grave. The ground never stopped shaking.
Every shadow felt like death.
We moved like ghosts, afraid to make a sound.
You learn to react faster than you think.
This was our shelter. And our prison.
They were closer every day.
Hunger hurt more than bullets.
Winter fought on their side.
We stopped asking names.
Bullets became precious.
The city swallowed us whole.
One sound could mean the end.
Sometimes not moving was survival. They looked asleep. I wished I was.
Night was worse than day.
Night was worse than day.
I stopped feeling my feet!
The city burned, even in winter.
They're closing in from the north.
We're trapped, aren't we?
We were surrounded.
Berlin still told us to hold.
The end was coming.
I don't remember aiming.
Forward no longer existed.
I didn't stop us. I didn't have to help.
We waited for death!
Only a few rounds left.
They were winning!
I could not fight anymore.
I chose to live.
Вставай, быстро! Руки вверх! The war was over for me!
Stalingrad took everything.
We were never meant to winter here. Only silence remained.
I did not know if I would survive.
I was still alive.
city outlived us all.
Everything felt heavy.
This war had taken my youth.
Home felt very far away.
For the first time, there was no noise. This place would haunt me forever.
Stalingrad was not just a defeat. It was the end of belief.